Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Well, I finally did it. I broke down and got some Michael cute Valentine crafting goodies. So let's go ahead and check out all the good stuff that I bought. I am so excited for the Michaels Valentine. I love all this prettiness. So I did get the 36 sheets 12 by 12 paper pad in the red. And look at all the cuteness of this pad. Look at that. How could you not want to buy it? So let's look at this one. Oh my goodness, I just love it. I love it all. So you got the stamps, and you do get 3 sheets of each. You got the red arrows with the heart. Love. You get the hearts with the stripes. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. The heart with the foiling. I love it. Yes, please. You get the love with the red foiling. Look at that. I don't know if the video does justice, but that is beautiful. And then you have heart acetate. Let me show you this one so you can see. Look at that. Love it. And then you get another acetate here. That's beautiful. Love. And then you do get the red and white stripes. Oh, look at the roses. This makes my pink heart swoon. Look at that. OMG. The X and O's, with the O's being hearts. And you do have this nice glitter, and the glitter does not come off. And then you even have a white glitter. Let me show you the white glitter. Look how pretty that is. Beautiful. So that is the red one, which love it. And then of course I had to get the pink one because I love pink, and this one has cherries and bows and all the goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I had to break. So this one's also 36 sheets, and it's 12 by 12, and it's 74. Both of them are 74 pound. So let's check this beautiful pan. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. And then we do have some acetate ones here. And I do love that they give you 3 so we don't have to hoard it. Oh, look at this one. Oh, wow. This is like a shiny, let me bring this close. This is beautiful. Look at that. That's like a holographic heart. Hopefully it's showing. We got that. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Almost kind of feels like a sticker. And then you get the pink hearts on the background. Some more pink hearts on the background. Gorgeous. You get more hearts. Love it. Love. You get the beautiful bows. And then the cherries are also in that glitter. The holographic, I mean. Look. Love. I love that. And then we have some acetate here. Show you this one. That's beautiful. And then some more hearts. And then we do have the beautiful glitter. So you got the 2 color pinks. So you get this pink, and then you got, it's almost like a pink purple. Love it. So that's that paper pan. I love paper pans. Love, love, love. It's almost like school supplies to me. Now I did get this one, and this one is actually the same as this right here. So I won't show that one, but that's a 6x6, and you also get 36 papers. Now this one here is a shimmering paper. I love shimmer. I love glitter. I love glitz. I love all that glam. Love it. And shimmer is almost like a pearlescent. It does have like a little shine on it. Don't know where it shows, but that's beautiful. So it comes with pink. So this one you get 36 sheets, and of course it's a 6x6, and you get 4 colors, 9 sheets of each. Okay, that's good. You get a lot of them. So it comes in a light pink. It also comes in a white. Love it. A darker pink. And then in a red. Beautiful papers. Love this. Love, love, love. And then I also hauled this one here, which is the vellum paper pad. You do get 20 sheets in this pack, and this is 6x6, and you get 2 sheets of each. So I end up buying 2 of them so that I could have enough in my stash. So let's look at this one, and look at this. Beautiful papers. Get the little squares and the dots. Love the stamps. Look at that, the stamps. You get some more hearts. This also comes with cherries. Now I like this collection because Case Craft, ScrapDiva all came out with some cherries with their Valentine stuff. So I love, love, love. Some hearts. Look at that. Beautiful polka dots, words. OMG. Love it. Love, love, love. Next thing I have here is the 18-piece vinyl sticker dies. Okay. And this is what you get in them. I think those are so pretty. So this would be good for packaging and even your cards. I do cards too, so that's a good one to have. And then I also have this one, which is another vinyl sticker. And look at that. That's what comes in it. Look how cute all this stuff is. Love it. I have that one. And then I did get a second one of the first one, which is a love, right? No, actually this is different. Okay, this is a die cut. So this is a die cut, so it's not a sticker back. And look at what comes in that one. That is beautiful. Love it. Look at that. And then I ordered another die cut, which is this one. This one has cherries and strawberries. OMG, look at that. I'm so excited. Got the nice juicy lips. And we got the male. Love it. The cakes, the little text bubbles. Love, love, love. Got that one. So I did get a second die cut one. And then the next one I have here is the sticker book. This one you get 261 pieces. And look at this. Look how cute that is. So this is a cherry one. Oh my goodness, look at that. Love it. Love, love, love. Got the hearts, the bows. Look at that. Oh, look at the glitterness. The glam cherries. The tags. All I see is love, love, love. Mine's bent right there. Oh, the cutting air. Love it. So I got those ones. And then I got this, which is a ephemera pack. Oh, this is gorgeous. And look at that one. This is a little vintage. So this one you get 40 pieces. And you do get some dies. And then you have some like vellum. Beautiful. Love it. And then I did also order this one here, which is some code transfer stickers. And this is what you use to put, it's almost like DTF, but it's basically the same thing. You could put it on cups, you could put it on like acrylic bookmarks, anything like that. And that's what that comes in. And this one, you get 12 pieces. That's real nice. Look at that. You get those. And it also have this ephemera pack. So you do get the cardstock and the vellum pieces here. And then this one comes with like acetate ones. And that's what you get in the package. Oh, I just love it. It makes my heart melt. And then I also got these beautiful tickets. Look how gorgeous those are. And these are stickers and they are dimensional. Love it. I got those. I even got these ones here. Love, love, love. I love these stickers. They're real nice. I also hauled these googly eyes and they do have hearts. Hobby Lobby also has them, but no, not Hobby Lobby. Yeah, Hobby Lobby has them, but in this size. Michaels actually has them in 3 different sizes. So I think I'm going to have to order another one. This is 120 piece, so you get the small, medium. Actually, you get 4 sizes. So you get the small one. Is that the sizes? No. Small, and then a little bit bigger. So you got, let's do it this way. Small, medium, large, and extra large. So got those. I also have this cutie patooties, which is like heart doilies. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this goodness. Got that one. Of course, I had to get some sequins mix, so I end up getting 2 of each. So the first one here is the, let me show you that one. The red one. Look at the one. Look at this goodness. So you do get glitter, clay bits, some more glitter, clay bits, little balls, and you even get jemmies. Beautiful. Love it. Got 2 of those, and then I did get this one here, which is, look at the strawberry clay bits. You get glitter, glitter, oh, clay bits. And you do get glitter there, another glitter, and then you get some jemmies. Look at that. How cute are these? Oh, I don't know. This year, Michael's been on it. I also got these Valentine plastic clasps. Got those. And they come in red, pink, and white. Love it. Got 2 packs of those. And then I also got this sticker book. And this one you get 302 pieces. Let's look at this one. I love stickers. I got so many stickers. Look at that. How pretty is that? And this one got foiling on it. You have some stamps. Well, let me look. Well, they're little, like little notes, not stamps. Well, some of it's stamps. Oh, MG. Look at that. Love, love, love. Love it. You got all the hearts, and we got the glitter. This is almost like a paper pan with little pieces. Oh, look at that. Heart glasses. Love it. You got the lock, some bands. That stuff that you could use for banners. OMG. So this is more of a journaling one, but hey, we could use it for anything. Anything. And then the last two items I hauled are these heart trim, and I did get it in red and pink, and they do, the pink is they got like a little shimmer to them, but the pink does look a little bit iridescent. Look at that. I got two of that, and this one here is 4 yards each, and they're about 5/8 of an inch. So yeah, that is my haul that I wanted to share with you. I didn't want to get Valentine's because I've been finding a lot of Valentines, but yeah, I actually love what Michaels came out. Michaels, you get 2 thumbs up. I love it, love it, love it. This makes my heart melt because I love the pink, the cherries, the hearts, the red, the white, all of it. It's love, 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 love it, love it, love it. But yeah, let me know if you've been finding good stuff at your Michaels. This one is a Michaels that's near me. I know the one that's maybe 20 minutes away from where I'm at. It's actually, they usually have more stuff, so maybe I'll go down there sometime next week just to see what they have. But yeah, leave me a comment below because I do love hearing from you. Subscribe if you haven't, because I do share hauls. I do share some tutorials. I do share I do test out some of the products and stuff that I do have. And yeah, for anything, just leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye-bye.